Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2017 Kawasaki Z650 ABS. Naked twin sport bike, fuel injected, liquid cooled. A lot of great accessories. We got a mini fly screen, adjustable levers, a leather Corbin saddle, awesome sounding Yoshimura Alpha exhaust, fender eliminator. This bike has got, it's got some LED turn signals. This bike is really cool. Metallic black and matte black finish. Come on by, check it out. Price to sell just $57.99, only 5,000 miles. We have finance, we have extended service contracts. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com. Where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Oh yeah. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.